it's Ryan again, back with another project or experiment. Today we'll be making holiday or New Year's Eve shakers. And you're gonna need a popsicle stick, some dry rice, 2 paper plates, some decorations, some markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you prefer. First things first is you're gonna decorate your plates however you want, okay? And you're gonna decorate the outsides of them. And if you decide to use paint or anything like that, before you continue this project, make sure the plates are dry. All right guys, I'm back, and this is how I decided to decorate the outsides of my plates. You'll need glue also for this project. But next, you're gonna turn your plates or a plate like this. You're gonna grab your dry rice. You're gonna open it a little bit. Ooh. You're gonna pour a little bit. Okay, now once you pour your rice, you're gonna wanna grab your other plate and grab your glue also and your popsicle stick. You're gonna put the popsicle stick in between both plates. This is gonna be your handle, and you're just gonna wanna glue both plates together like this. You're gonna wanna hold it by the stick. We'll be right back. All right guys, once you put your rice inside, you're gonna glue your popsicle stick and your plate together. It should look something like this. You're gonna shake it up. There's no rice coming out, so we all good. All right guys, thanks. It's been a pleasure having you guys. Like and subscribe. See you next week.